Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want us to look at how you can prepare abacha, how to prepare abacha. This will be the end product of our video today, so make sure you watch to the end in order not to mix everything. Every process counts. So if you're new here, I'm Abacharecipe, we're registered nurse midwife. I use this channel to teach health related issues, and nutrition is part of it because definitely we are what we eat. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to get free videos. Then before we continue, also I want us to look at the condiments that you need. So get your pen ready. The first is abacha. Before you pour this inside a bowl, make sure you look out for stone inside it. Then your pepper, this is the type of pepper you use for this. Then ehuru, I don't know another name for this, but you can snap it now and search online. Then your crayfish, seasoning cube. When you open this, it looks like this, but the one they sell in Lagos is always in a plastic something. So this is the inside of the red oil. Then let's now go straight to the process. So first is bring your abacha, pour it inside a bowl, but I do encourage that you pour it inside a stainless stuff so that it can be able to separate stone if present. Then pour in your hot water. Some people don't like using hot water because it makes the abacha to be too soft, but if you must use it like I'm doing here, then remove it after 2 or 3 seconds and pour it in a bowl, in a sieve, like I'm going to do right now. So you pour it in a sieve, but you can only pour it the way I'm doing here if you're very sure that there is no stone inside it, which I even doubt because it normally contains stone. So the best way to prevent this is use a small sieve and remove the abacha from the water so that if there is any stone present, it can be able to sediment under the water. So after doing that, you set it aside to drain. That's why you do it first, so that by the time you finish every other thing, it must have drained well. Then this is your already cooked fish. Fry it and keep aside. Then bring in a pot, a dry pot, pour in the pepper and the ehuru. Then you fry it for some minutes. If you know you are asthmatic, please don't do this. So if you have any asthmatic person by your side, don't do this in their presence. Then after that, you remove it, pour in your crayfish. Look at this pot, there is no water or oil inside it, please. Then fry it for some minutes. Then after doing that, you pour in what you have already fried inside your mortar, but it's best to use your blender to do this. But if you don't have, just use this and blend it. Then add your crayfish and blend everything together. Remember, it's better to use your blender to do it. So after this is everything now, so get another dry pot. This thing is not under fire. Pour in the already blended stuff, add your seasoning cube on it, add salt. Next thing is add your obehe. So I'm going to use a small quantity of obehe here because the abacha I'm preparing is small. So if you are preparing any quantity that is bigger, you can finish everything. But another thing is, if you are not going to eat this now, don't add obehe. Then before we continue, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe is totally free of charge. So now you already have everything inside your pot. Remember, this pot is not under fire. Then add your red oil. Then bring your spatula and use it to mix everything together. But let me be real here, guys. If you want to get the real consistency, please wash your hand and use it to do this, because that is what will give you what you want. So I'm going to go ahead now and use my hand to mix it together. So I've already washed my hand, so I'm going to use my hand to mix it. Your hand will help you to mix everything together. Remember, this pot is not on fire, so you don't fry everything except the one I showed you. After mixing it, then pour in the abacha, already drained abacha, little by little pour in. Then you mix. The reason why you pour in small is sometimes your mixture may be smaller than the main abacha, and if you do it, you may not get the real taste. So you pour it small and mix together. So use your hand, wash your hand wherever you are, whichever country you are watching this from. Wash your hand and use your hand to do this if you want to get the real consistency. As you mix it, then test for salt, test for seasoning cube, and make sure the test is okay for you. So I don't know the type of or the amount of salt or seasoning cube you like using. Test. After that, then you serve your abacha. Oh, is it that simple? You may think, oh, is this procedure that simple? It may not be, but you serve it with either garden egg or baka, also known as oil bean, or use onions. Some people don't like onions, but onions gives it this taste. So as you can see, I do not prepare mmiri ugu here. I don't like potash. It causes diarrhea for some people like myself. So this is the end product of our stuff today, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch these other videos, watch them and like them. Then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.